So what is the shop quick navigation menu? It's that piece on top over here that allows you to go back. At the moment I've opened pizza item from my shop, but I can go to the lunch category and see what else I have there for lunch. I can also go to the shop, which will list all the items available within that shop. And again, if we go to coffee, I can see the same quick navigation menu on top, so I can go back. If I click to cappuccino, I can see the same menu on top, so I can go back. The quick navigation menu might not be enabled on your DIY website. To enable it, you have to go to admin, then on the left menu, shop, and then there are a few buttons on top of your shop. So go for shop settings on top, and then there is a show shop breadcrumb to the users. That could be disabled. Just flip the switch, save. And if you want to disable it, of course, flip the switch, save. Then if we check the shop, it won't be visible anymore.